guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing, once again, a slime review from MLK Shop. This cost me about $50, including slime, shipping. So, this is probably worth it, so let's go. So yeah, this is a Peep slime and it is like a chalkboard, but really don't know. This is a butter slime and it is scented carrot cake. This is a paste dough, which is a dough slime, and it's scented like Bomb Pops. This one is minty, yeah, that's the name, and it's a butter slime. This is a lavender slime, and it's a butter. And this is a crunchy slime, and it smells like nothing. So, yeah. And this came with a activator bottle, and that's it. So, thank you so much. I would appreciate it if there was a squishy or something in there. You know, I collect squishies, but it's okay. So, let's start off with the Bomb Pop. Ooh, the Bomb Pop one. I'm so excited for this. This slime for sure is a paste dough. It feels fluffy, so I think there's shaving cream in this maybe, but I really don't know. It has the best, I'm talking best set ever, like Bomb Pops. It has red, white, and blue chunks in it, and white, so this is the cutest Bomb Pop themed slime I've ever seen. It's like the only Bomb Pop slime I ever have. So this one is pretty good. So I'll do it say smart by Lost Stopper. Can't really hear any. Okay, we're done face mode. You can't even hear it. I've been videoing for 2 minutes already. Alright, let's just start that. Next slime is this Peep chalkboard slime, and I'm so excited. Oh, sorry, my niece walking. Oh my god, my niece walking, and I'm in a crisscross. This definitely has. Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Let's get back. This is a big fluffy slime. It's not the best stretcher. And oh my god, it's so thick. It smells like shaving cream. It does not smell like Peeps. So this has to have shaving cream in it. So yeah, just saying. So it's a smart guy, ladies. I mean, Lost Stopper. Slime is super hard. Alright, this one would probably get a 7. Really not one of my favorites. It smells like and feels like store-bought slime, so let's just get into the next one. Next is a lavender one. I'm so excited. And all this slime, if you want it, it is from MLK, and it would be in the link in the description. Okay, this smells so good. It has little moon charms. Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh my god, the texture is like the perfecto amount of activator, and here this clicky sound. Like, that's so good. This is probably my favorite slime so far. It smells like lavender. It smells so good. And go check out my slime shop, Delaney Stopper. That link in the description once again. I restock on Wednesday, 7 o'clock. So yeah. Okay, this slime's pretty good. Oh my god, I've been video for 4 minutes now. Alright, that slime gets a 7. Alright, this is a crunchy slime. It's supposed to have little carrot charms. And yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's a crunchy. Got it. This most certainly is a crunchy slime. Yeah, and that's what's saying about my store. It restocks on, you know, and at 7 o'clock. So yeah, go check it out. I have the best slimes. This is, oh my god, that's so sick. And also, guys, on YouTube, if you don't mind liking and subscribing, that would really help out the channel. And yeah, this one does have a scent. It smells like fruit. Yeah, it just smells like fruity, strong scent. Alright, this slime is not my favorite. This one's probably gonna get a 9, I guess. Okay, which slimes do we have left? This and that. Okay. So this is a carrot cake slime. All of these got shipped from a month, so I really don't like that season. But oh my god, this is, it smells like carrot cake. The texture is amazing. This slime does have a little carrot charm, and oh my god, I'm not kidding. I just want to bite into it. Look at that, that's the little carrot charm. So cute. This slime is probably gonna get a big rating. Now enjoy this taste. Bye-bye. This slime is probably my favorite so far, instead of that. But I'm gonna make this one a 10 out of 10. So, yeah. Last but not least is the mint one. It comes with a mint and this soft butter slime that is green. Why is it green? It has a mint scent, smells like Christmas. I'm so excited to add this one in. First, let's discover the texture. The texture is a butter slime. It doesn't really feel like one. Okay, yes, this is most certainly a butter slime. This, I like the color of light green. But yeah, let's just put the topper in. Comment down below if you guys like mints. I think this is a fake one. I really don't know. But it came with the slime, I swear. Look at that. Oh, it fell out. Would you guys eat a real mint if you put a real mint in here and with slime? Would you eat it for $1,599,000? I don't even know if that's a number. But this slime has a minty scent. Now, I just want to eat a mint. And you guys know, hopefully we can do some candy today. I don't know if I have time for candy videos, but this slime has to be my favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye.